Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is the Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. Here we are on the bow of the Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. You have an anchor locker with a fold-down stair, freshwater shower, forward seating, storage below, now you have in-floor storage locker, this boat has the infinity woven carpeting, a wind gate, storage below the helm, this boat has a head compartment with a sink and a window, drink holders, lockable storage. Here we are at the helm of the Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. You have your Simrad touchscreen display, tilt wheel, Rockford Fosgate stereo system, trim tabs, and your digital throttle. In the cockpit, you have lots of seating. Both seats go back for a nice lounge area. We have storage. Cooler. Our batteries. The battery switch. As we make our way aft, we have a side step, transom door, your fuel fill, a freshwater shower, remote for your stereo system, more in-floor storage. This boat is equipped with the optional sea deck cover on the transom. Moving aft here. There's additional storage. And here, because it's an outboard, you really have a lot of storage. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is the Sea Ray 270 SDX. Contact me regarding this or any other boat offered by MarineMax at 609-494-2102. Thank you.